Welcome to the Smart Show. This week we're going to take a look at a unique wireless audio device, the revolutionary iPod 3, and we're also going to take a glance at Google Project Glass. Just remember, Smart Show is brought to you by the Smart Store located in Lime Grove, and you guys should go check them out. The location is a very nice, exclusive location, and the prices are just right. Some great deals there for you. Very interesting product here is the Klip Xtreme Soundbar. It's a wireless audio speaker set that allows you to sync your phone, your tablet, your laptop, your TV, whatever device you have that's Bluetooth enabled, allows you to run sound through it for watching movies, listening to music, or just general entertainment. It's really great. The sound is awesome. You're going to see a demonstration right after the unboxing in this video. So once again, it's very nice device. The box itself gives a great detailed information. There are instructions with it. It's very easy to set up. If you don't have a Bluetooth device, you can plug something directly into it. But I think the awesomeness is with the Bluetooth and being able to use it with your mobile devices, and it really enhances the experience of having a smart setup. So you come in, you set your laptop down, you got your wireless printer, your wireless speaker system, you can sync to your television. It's all smart and all awesome. So check it out. Videos there. Tell me what you think in the comments below.
This sounds better than the other one. It does sound a lot better than the other one.
I figured you had to stream your music.
Want to get like a range kind of thing, or?
Reversing. So it's a fact that we've all seen Star Trek, Star Wars, we've played a lot of video games, seen Minority Report. We see all these movies with this heads-up display, or games that offer heads-up display where you see information in front of you, giving you real-time feedback of what's going on in the real space. At the same time, Minority Report allows you to interact with hologram-like elements and have a real feel for what's going on. Google has announced this thing called Google Glass, which essentially is like a pair of glasses without the actual glass. It's like a headband, fits like a pair of spectacles, and it has a projector here that shoots images directly onto your retina. But what these images are is that they are a heads-up display, meaning they do not completely cover what you're seeing. You still see what's in front of you, but you see augmented bits. So it's essentially real-time augmented reality. So, for example, it could allow you to see in map, give you directions to where you're going, or you see a friend coming and says, "Hey, that's George, and he's 15 feet away." Allow you to take calls, view videos, surf the web. The possibilities are endless. The interesting thing about this product is that they have, apparently, are in the prototype phase. We have seen Google executives with them on, Google staff members posting pictures of them wearing it, explain that it does work for people with glasses, that Google Glass is for everyone. So if you already have prescription glasses and you put it on, it still works as advertised. So it's a very interesting product. We haven't heard anything about or anything solid about pricing, but we have heard that it would cost as much as the average smartphone, which is pretty good. A device like this is very intuitive and innovative, and I would like to see this go very far. So take a look at the video and yeah, tell me what you think.
Hi, what's up?
Hey,
Hey.
you want to say something cool?
Yeah, sure. Is that a ukulele?
Yep. Okay, here goes.
That's beautiful.
So I got a chance to visit the Smart Store when the iPad 3 came out to check out the model they had down there. The resolutionary new iPad, and it's called that because of the extremely beautiful display and extremely high resolution that the iPad 3 has, or the new iPad has, as they're calling it. So it's a very attractive device. It looks a lot like the 2. What's different isn't much aside from, well, I can't say that Apple guys will get at me. To be honest, it's a much faster device, much nicer screen. It's a little bit heavier, a little bit thicker, but overall the performance is much better. A lot of the games that are tailored towards the iPad 3 look really good. Console quality are better because you know, a television only goes up to, well, they go higher, but HD, or the standard for HD, is 1920 by 1080, and this device is packing a much higher resolution on a 9.7-inch screen. So when you really run some high intense 3D games on there, like Infinity Blade or this new jet game they brought out, Shadow Gun, you're gonna really get a really nice experience. And pictures, videos, anything along the lines, magazines, books, they're gonna really stand out on the screen. That being said, the device performs very nicely, though when we did a little side-by-side next to the iPad 1, it started out where the iPads 3 were loading the websites faster, but then the iPad 1 started loading websites faster. It's kind of awkward. But and performance-wise, graphics-wise, it's very powerful. The chip over the iPad 2 chip is a step up, not a major step up, but a step up. Still dual core, but the graphics processor is now quad and it's very fast. Comparatively to the Android tablets, this iPad is still ahead, and it's really rocking out. So check it out. If you want to go, pretty sure they'll allow you to fool around with it, get a little hands-on demo if you go onto the Smart Store. So go check it out. It's a really smart piece of technology.
We believe technology is at its very best when it's invisible. When you're conscious only of what you're doing, not the device you're doing it with. An iPad is the perfect expression of that idea. It's just this magical pane of glass that can become anything you want it to be. And that's why so many people in so many different places are using it for so many different things. It's a more personal experience with technology than people have ever had. And now, with the new iPad, we're elevating that experience by dramatically improving the fundamental elements that define it. We gave it a powerful new A5X chip for stunning graphics, a 5-megapixel iSight camera with our state-of-the-art optics, the speed of 4G LTE. We created amazing new software that redefines what you can do with music, movies, and photos. And all of this is brought to life on the Retina display, the highest resolution display ever on a mobile device.
The display is what the iPad's all about. So when you enhance the display, you enhance everything. And the Retina display on the 3rd generation iPad is just spectacular. It's got a resolution of 2048 by 1536. That's 3.1 million pixels, 4 times more than the previous iPad, and over 1 million more than what's called high definition on other devices. And we've packed all these pixels into a display that's just 9.7 inches. But engineering it wasn't as simple as just jamming in more pixels. A pixel is made up of red, green, and blue subpixels, with a signal telling each one when and how much to light up. That's how colors are created. But when you squeeze 4 times the pixels into the same space, signals can get crossed, colors become distorted, and images get fuzzy. To solve this, we had to elevate the pixels onto a different plane and separate them from the signals. It's a major breakthrough, and it's the key to making the pixels so small and so close together that the human eye can't even distinguish them. So type looks razor sharp, and you'll see details in photos that you never knew were there. A wider color gamut brings out even more detail and gives you colors that are incredibly rich, deep, and vivid. This isn't just the most advanced display you've ever held in your hand. It's the most advanced display you've ever seen.
The iPad is known for its fluid graphics performance, but because the Retina display has 4 times the pixels to drive, you need a lot more power. So when we designed the new A5X chip, we gave it quad-core graphics. It makes everything you do feel really fast and smooth. And it's so efficient, the new iPad still gets the same great 10-hour battery life. To go with a beautiful display, we added a new iSight camera. It takes 5-megapixel photos using the same advanced optics we developed for the iPhone 4S. And it shoots gorgeous 1080p HD video at up to 30 frames per second. But one of the biggest breakthroughs in the new iPad is its next-generation wireless technology. It works with more bands than any mobile device ever. So it connects to more of the world's fastest data networks, all the way up to 4G LTE.
With all the amazing technology built into the new iPad, we had an opportunity to create software that is truly groundbreaking. And that meant completing the iLife family of apps. There's a new version of GarageBand that lets you wirelessly connect up to 4 iOS devices so you and your friends can jam and record together. To complement the iSight camera in the new iPad, we made iMovie even better. Now you can shoot 1080p HD video and turn it into a Hollywood-style movie trailer in minutes, all on a single device you can take with you everywhere. And now we're bringing iPhoto to the iPad. It's unbelievably powerful and so simple to use. The Smart Browsing feature lets you go through lots of shots really quickly. You just double tap on a photo and it finds others that look just like it, so you can pick your favorite. With multi-touch gestures, you can make your blue sky bluer. You can apply dozens of professional quality effects with just a few taps. And with photo journals, you can share your photos in ways you never could before. These new iLife apps open up all kinds of possibilities for the iPad.
The iPad introduced the world to an entirely new way to experience technology. And now with the new iPad, we've taken an experience that millions of people love and made it profoundly better. It's the ultimate iPad, and we think it's going to change how you see and do just about everything.